In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join a crew here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do though is press start on your controller or escape on your keyboard and navigate over to the online section, and from here just scroll down and you're going to see a crew section on here. Select it and this page is going to show any crews that you're currently in as well as your active crew. If you're not in a crew yet, essentially scroll down on this page till you see this suggested crews section right here, because these are usually large active crews that you can easily join. Just essentially highlight any one of these crews right here, select it, and then hit join crew just like so. Now you can also view the members who are currently online by selecting view members, and once it does bring this, it's going to show you all of the people that are currently online, and you'll have options to join their game, show their profile, and from their profile you can also add them as a friend if you would like. If you'd rather join a friends crew though, just back out of all of this section and go to friends crews. Find one of your friends crews, select it, and then hit request invitation, or just join it if it is an open crew. It really is as simple as that. You can also go down to the invitation section just to see if you have gotten any crew invitations or crew requests that you might have received. But that is it. If you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.